If you want to manage touch accommodations on iPhone 17, then first of all we can open Settings. Next, in Settings you want to choose Accessibility, and then in Accessibility you want to go to Touch. Now over here in Touch we have Touch Accommodations, so we can go over here and you can enable and disable Touch Accommodations, and it can be adjusted below over here. So you can, for example, adjust the hold duration to select an amount of seconds, and you can also when it's enabled, you can also adjust swipe gestures, so you can perform swipe gestures without waiting for the specific duration. So over here we can see the required movement that we can select, and in addition to that we have ignore repeat. So here we can choose the duration in which multiple touches are treated as a single touch. So if you, for example, touch the screen by accident twice or 3 times, if it's within the selected amount of time, then your iPhone will recognize all of these touches as just one touch. And we have tap assistance as well. And once you select any of them, then we can adjust the gesture delay for the tap assistance. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.